Yeah, we're back. This ain't pretty, folks. This ain't pretty. Really messed up here. Really messed up. I messed up, but I don't want to just panic out here either. Can't believe I did that. Can't believe it. If there was ever a time that we needed a market crash, it's right now. Right here, right now. I mean, I like the trade. I'm gonna have to stick it out. I could have taken profit, or I could have gotten out at break even. So if this goes against me, there's always going to be that consideration and regret, possibly. But it is what it is. Yay. Come on, ES. Tank. If you ever need this thing to tank, it's right now. Do it. Come on. NQ's tanking here. Come on, ES. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, ES. Let's go. Yes. Come on. Do I just take my profit here? Gosh, I'm going to regret it if I don't. Oh. I'm going to take half off. Just, I don't know. If this goes against me, then I'm just not going to, I'm not going to make it. Yeah, NQ sold off a lot more than just right that. Now it's bouncing. If I can get filled here, great. If not, just get me out at break even and we'll reassess the. But that was me. That was not cool. And watch this thing rip higher now. I'm watching NQ here on my other screen. Yeah, Jamil. I mean, I don't know if you recognize, but I accidentally entered on an ES mini contract, so I was on 3 minis instead of 3 micros. So that's why I'm getting out a little bit early. I'm basically 10 times my size of what I thought I was. Yeah, that's okay. I as soon yeah, in that case, that's why I'm just happy cutting it and moving on. Moving on. So, but yeah, that's if this was micros, then no, I wouldn't be cutting this trade. At the point now, it's more debating if I just want to cut this and move on, or do I want to give this last one a little bit of room to run? NQ looking like it might want to pull back a little bit more here. Yeah, NQ pulling back more. All right, just get me out at break even here. Come on. Really? Ah. Okay, thank you. We're out. We're out. Let's go back to NQ and let's just thank our lucky stars that that didn't just rip right against us. We would have had basically a $600 loss if that stop loss would have hit. Ouch. That would have hurt really, really bad. That would have hurt really bad. We'll consider that a win. And yeah, Nutty Trading Minis on accident. Yes. So I saw this. Hang on, let me just reassess. I saw this setup. We rejected VWAP for the third time. I liked the trade. And, at that same time, NQ was selling off. And so I took a short here, forgetting that I'm trading the minis here. Like this chart, I'm trading the minis. So I'm no longer doing the cross order. So when I took this trade, this is not cross order to micros. This is just straight up trading minis. We had a little bit of heart palpitations. I was let's just I do want to say I think I was off stream. I was off stream and I was in $300 in drawdown and I believed and I just stayed calm and I let the trade work. We got out for a profit. Now considering how it's ripping, very, 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 very thankful. I think we made like $50 or something. Close to that. I lived to tell the tale. That's right. We almost didn't. My heart rate did increase. I will say that. But let's not do that again. Let's not do that again. That's almost always how things like that almost always does not end well. So very thankful that it ended as well as it did. Okay, what are we gonna do here, boys? Yeah, Jamil, I actually, yeah, that was just completely my fault. The problem was I didn't have my trade copier set up to trade ES. So I was kind of rushing to do that and have everything right. And in the rush of doing that, I just completely forgot that I was trading the minis. Oh, what if we're in a TR or trend for today? I mean, we're sideways today as of now. You can see here also, this is kind of similar to yesterday. Look at this. We were kind of made a move high and just kind of bled. Then around 1 o'clock, we started selling off. Let's see if it happens again. Now I kind of want to keep checking ES to see how it's holding up. ES is definitely holding up better than NQ. Man, now we're pulling back again. Ooh, down we go, down we go. I now want to see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES still holding up pretty well. Hey, Rad Poker, how we doing? How's trading today? Not too bad. I mean, I forget how much we were down earlier this morning. I think we were like 250 plus down. What's a good strategy for trading trend reversal? Or trading? Oh, trading range. Trading range, you want to be sellers at the top of the range and buyers at the bottom of the range. Which is, for some reason, I have a hard time doing. But all right, ES, it's got to be tanking now. Yep, see this? Oh boy. I'm always going to be like, "Oh, what if I held?" We're not going to go down the rabbit hole. Yeah, it looked like we were this now it's starting to look like a fake out. And or it just part of the trading range, to be honest. But it is a pretty big move. Oh, oh no. Holding the ES short, Jamil. Let's go. I'm glad someone's holding it. I'm glad someone is holding it. I didn't have no, I'm totally fine cutting that trade where I did, just to be clear. I am totally fine with that. All right, are we going to get a bounce? Does appear like it. Here we go. Yeah, I hear you, Carpet Hooligan. It's sound. It is sound. I would say the trading range would be like the 800s. We kind of had an overshoot here, but the 800s to the 35s. On eval 37, Gregory. Well, just I mean that's a lot of people blow a lot more accounts than that on evals, so okay, we're kind of seeing a bounce here. How much? You tell me. Those are rookie numbers. That's interesting. So, did some research and yeah, heard back from. I think we're actually okay doing the live account and classifying ourselves as a professional trader. It looks like we're good to go on that. All right, coming back down. See, we make new lows here. This 800 level is held multiple times. I want to see where ES is. All of a sudden, I'm really interested in ES. Oops, sorry, I was muted. Only the second time for the day, okay? Only the second time. But we did it, Carpet. We did it. We bought the bottom of the range. We did do that. That's good. Should have held a little bit longer. Should have held a little bit longer. But you know what? We don't need to catch all of the move. Just a little bit is fine. We will improve that, hopefully, along the way. Hold my beer. I'm going long, folks. I am what I am. You think we're going down? Could be. This could just be a little bit of a pullback, bounce right off the 800 level, and I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we get back up to the 824, 825, and we see more weakness, more selling. I'm gonna look to get short up here. If we make it that far. Hey, let's see. If we test the lows here. Maybe we do. Mm. All right, is this thing gonna keep ripping? Think we're just gonna trade this range? We could. That could very well happen. Oh. Man, this market is moving at a snail's pace all of a sudden. What's ES looking like? ES, just not much. Not much to see. Oh, there's a little bit of activity. Now we're seeing a move. Should have held this long. Should have held it. Hey, Travis, how we doing? Chop suey. Yep, we're having chop suey for lunch. Yep. Finally making a little bit of a move, but not much. I didn't even see, I didn't have a chance to check. Travis, how was your day? Good. Nice, nice. Let's go. Let's go. Do you have the 150K? Is it passed? Do you have that passed now? You have to be getting close, right? Okay, 2,500 away. Nice. Let's go. You're killing it. You're killing it. I love it. I love it. I need a new sale. Alpine Trader we need a 90% sale, don't we? Oh dear. Rip 4 evals today. Hey, we've all been there. Today's not a good day to try to pass evals. I mean, it's also not a good day to try to short when we have a big V-shaped reversal. I can assure you that as well. I found that out this morning. Yeah, I'm curious what they'll change. I'm curious, Alpine. I am very, very curious. Need to get on your trade evals. Oh, since they renewed. I don't think Apex needs to do any changes. They are number one. I mean, yeah, I think Apex is still number one as far as if you go by payouts, payouts per month. Apex is number one by a long shot. But I also think if I'm the owner of Apex, okay, I'm just giving you my perspective. If I'm the owner of Apex as a business owner, I am always looking around my competition. And when I see my competition getting closer and closer to me, you don't just sit there and wait until they overtake you. You don't do that. If you see your competition getting closer, then you make changes and keep that gap as big as you can. Top Step is like Call of Duty. That is the best analogy I've heard. That's awesome, Alpine. It's like Call of Duty launching a huge game without the right support or the server, without the servers. That is so true. That's literally what happened. Oh, man. Trading is not a game. I mean, yeah, it's an issue with Tradeovate, obviously. I'm curious. Wow, look at this thing just keep going. We're at the top of the range here. This is where we were thinking about taking a short. I would definitely be taking profit here if I didn't prematurely take profit down here. But also my daily reminder to hit that like button. Only remind you guys once a day, okay? I believe that's not too bad. That's not too annoying for you. Just go over there and hit that like button. Promise it won't hurt. What I feel like the place where Top Step I feel like is failing is how long it's taking them to get accounts set up and activated, etc. Yeah. Hey, let's go, Jerry. Let's go. It's working out well for you. Just keep holding. This is a nice. This is where I'm like needing to. I have such a hard time. I hate trading reversals. Like I hate trying to pick like the bottoms and the tops like this. So anytime I do, like right here, my entry was 802. 802 entry, which was great. Great entry. But then I take all my profit, you know, at 30 ticks. Because my mind, I'm going against the trend, which is like you jam your finger on the like. Well, we have had reports. Traitorous Chick has also had reports of a sprained muscle from hitting the like. So I guess I might need to put a disclaimer somewhere that I am not responsible for any injuries that are caused by hitting the like button. Yeah, Russ, agreed. That like to me that's the biggest like issue. And them saying it's not because of the influx of accounts, it's just a flat out lie. And we all know it. It's not even bad, it just is what it is. Taurus trader. I'm not sure I can do that. Hey, you just get your 50K Apex That's awesome, Jody. Good luck. Good luck. Hey, here we are at the 30s. Again, we were talking about just selling at the top of this range, buying at the bottom of this range, right? It is so hard for me to sell, to short this. I just about can't make myself. I don't think I'm going to do it. I'm not going to do it. Yeah, Jerry, agreed. If only there was a way somehow that you would know when there's a nice move up. If you figure that out, you let me know ASAP. Yeah, 830. If we can break this, I mean, to me, we almost have to break the 840s. We've got to rip above the 840s and then hold it. Like actually hold it, bounce off of it, and then keep going higher for me to really be a believer. 15-minute chart, just ugh. Just ugly. Ugly. You know what we need to maybe start doing, guys? I think I have an idea. I just had a brilliant idea, actually. Everybody listening? From now on, I will start streaming at around 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay? I'll start streaming at around 1 o'clock in the morning. It seems like we're getting really nice, clean moves in the overnight session. And we're just getting a chop fest in the day, the regular traded hours. So maybe we need to start streaming at 1 o'clock in the morning and catch some of these nice. Look at this beautiful pullback right back up to the 40s, this level, and then just whoosh. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Instead of this, whoosh, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's look at this. Look at this beautiful move. Right back up to the 40s here and then whoosh. Now, we all know somewhere along the way here, I would have probably found a way to lose money, but at least we can pretend like we would have made money. And we're pulling back pretty hefty here, folks. Did not get above and hold the 30s. Well, maybe. Depends if we can hold this. Yeah, for real. 1 a.m. You've been trading since 4:30? Let's go, Travis. I mean, honestly, like the 3 o'clock, even at 2, like I feel like around 2 o'clock in the morning to like, 8, till the opening, there's been some decent moves. There's been some decent moves. That's hilarious. I will say, like so right now I kind of have I have like 2 jobs. I'm working 2 shifts. Full disclosure. Usually during the day, like I do get some work done, but watching the charts, trying to focus on that. Usually like in the evening around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, after we kind of put everyone to bed, then usually I'll be back around, working around 10 o'clock to like 1:30, 2 o'clock in the morning. And then I'll sleep until 8 o'clock in the morning again, and we'll do it all over again. So usually I am awake for that. I see a lot of these moves, but I need to maybe start trading them a little bit more. All right, who's still long? Who's still long here? How do you know you finally made it as a trader? You're working 3 jobs. How do I know that I maybe once I'm full-time trading, I'll know I've made it. Actually, see, I don't really want to. I actually enjoy my job. And yeah, I assume you meant trader, not trader. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, everybody hold. Ripping higher, trying to take out the 40s here. It's getting pretty choppy up here. One thing I need to do, and I'm going to do this right now. Because I actually, on my other charts, I have a 250 tick chart, and I've actually really started using it a lot just for reference. And I'm just going to start using it. Oh, really? You don't have a 250 tick chart? See what I mean? Like, I like the 250 tick chart. You can see a little bit better some of these pullbacks. Don't want to get too crazy with it, but I've been kind of watching it, and we might as well use it as a reference here and there where it makes sense. Almost up 4K. Let's go. Yes, Jerry, right now you need to take that profit. Do it. But this is not financial advice. But do it now. Yes, just trade the sim account the rest of the day. Nicely done, Jerry. That's awesome. Nicely done. Let's go. All right, seeing our first pullback here. We got rejected off the 40s here. How far do we go down? And we go right back up. It's getting tempting here to buy this. Ooh. Let's test that high again. Let's do it. Do it. Did I tell you to get out here? I'm sorry. I apologize. Kind of going counter. Okay. Need this to rip. Might take my first one right here. Just in case we fail to break out here. All right, stop at break even. We're kind of playing a breakout here, which uh-oh. Is my Ninja Trader lagging? Hello? Hello? Are you there? Hello? That was weird. A little bit of lag there. Now it seems to be okay. All right. Go ahead and rip this thing higher if you don't mind. Eh. Pretty teensy-tiny little trade there, but a win is a win is a win is a win. Yeah, Jerry, that's awesome. Sometimes it's all it takes. I was hoping we'd break out here, but I'm fine just capturing a little bit there. Now we're looking like we're going to pull back a little bit more here. Is anyone out there? More chop. More chop here. Chad, you're pretty sure we're going to 900? I'm going to need something better than pretty sure. I need some of that Tar Heel confidence. Feels like this thing wants to keep going. Here we go. All right, 40s. Here we go. See if we can break through this time. The fact that we only pulled back to like the 25s, this is definitely looking promising for the bulls. Give me a second. Need to make a phone call here. big sell-off there. Man, we're just right back. See, and this thing wants to go higher. Oh, wow. Look at that thing. I'm just going to try and get in on this. Might. You know what? We'll just get out. We'll take it. That was a quick sell-off. Oh man. Oh, futures trader, I feel your pain. I feel your pain on that one. You had everything right and it just the timing was off by a smidge. Oh, really? What's ES looking like? Oh, we did make it above VWAP here, but that was a good call out on the 606 change rate. All right, I'm back. I was on the phone. Sorry, Jerry. I was on the phone. You're loving the sim account? Awesome. That's awesome. Yep. It kind of helps cure that trading itch sometimes. Sweet, sweet. What is worse than dealing with Chop? Fat fingering the buy sell button while dealing with Chop. Facts. Okay. All right. Sorry. Dealing with life. Dealing with life right now. All right. You know what? Everything considered, I just now see that we're only down $35. I will take that, you know? I will take it. Let's go. Big rising. Yep, we are. Huge, big move down here now, just slowly melting back up. If we fail to make new highs here, kind of interested in a short. Kind of interested. Hang on 1 second. All right. Okay, we're back. We are back. Oh, man. We got some nice, some Pepsi, some afternoon Pepsi. Gotta love it. Pepsi and Nutty Bars. I've never had that together. Not quite sure that would work. Bro, don't drink that crap. Hey. Only one person allowed to tell me what I can drink or eat. And his name isn't Steve. It's probably not good for you, though. You're probably right. Alrighty, what are we gonna do? Interesting little wedge pattern going on here. We break that wedge. I might just quit. I might take this short. You are my day. And we go back up. Of course we do. We go up, we go down. We go up, we go down. That's just how this works. Oh, you're drinking Coke? Oh, that reminds me. This weekend when we were camping, somehow we got on the discussion. I'm sure some of you have seen the TikTok challenge where people had a straw in a Coke bottle and a straw in a Pepsi bottle, and you couldn't, they had like maybe it was in a box or something, but the person drinking couldn't tell if it was Coke or Pepsi. Like the Coke and Pepsi challenge. and people were saying like they couldn't tell the difference between Coke and Pepsi. And I'm sorry, but I was like, there's no shot. I can tell the difference between Pepsi and Coke 10 times out of 10. No doubt about it. So we ended up going to the store. Buying a Coke and Pepsi, and guess what? I could tell the difference 10 times out of 10. I could tell the difference between Coke and Pepsi. It wasn't even hard. So we settled that debate once and for all. But there were people that couldn't. But I like Pepsi. I'm not a fan of Coke. So it was pretty funny. It was pretty funny, actually. I was being pretty confident about it. Kind of, I was pretty much guaranteeing that I can tell the difference. So all the youth, everyone was really hoping that I would mess this up, And to their dismay, I locked it down. I shut it down 10 out of 10 times. And it wasn't even hard. All right, we're at the top of the range here. I'm not going to short it just because I just don't want to do it. Yeah, Jerry, you could tell the difference. Yeah, exactly. I think you could too. Pepsi's, well, okay, Coke has kind of that medicine taste to it. Coke has like a medicine type aftertaste that's just very easy to tell the difference. Well, I guess I should have shorted maybe, huh? Back down we go. We go up, we go down. This is how the world works. Ooh, big spike down. Whoa, folks. Whoa. What is going on? What in the tarnation is going on here? Oh, glass 16-ounce bottles. Those are way better. Do you have to do something? No. Santiago, if you've traded 7 days and you've reached your profit target, that evening you'll receive an email from Apex and they'll tell you what to do. Exactly, design. That's what I'm wondering. What in the darnation is going on? I need an answer and I need it now. I did so FYI, I did look into the kind of whole professional trader thing, and we are officially now a professional trader. I don't even care. I don't care what you say. I am a professional trader. Do I make money? Maybe not, but that's beside the point. I am a professional trader. Okay? You're just going to have to deal with it. You know what? Humor me. Tell me something. Okay, hang on. What I found out about it. So basically, the data fees weren't terrible. And I do not need to, it is on a per account. For example, if I'm trading on live sim accounts, I do not need to worry about classifying as a professional trader. The only time I need to classify as a professional trader is if I'm trading a live account. So I'm okay with that. So here we are. Officially professional. I don't really feel that professional, but hey. Yep, now I can deduct everything. Exactly. If I just think about something, I'm going to deduct it. Okay? See this PC? 100% deductible. My camera, deductible. My light, deductible. My monitor, deductible. My mouse, my clothes. I mean, you name it. It's going to be fun. We're going to have fun, folks. I'll probably get audited. You don't need to do it for other companies. Not if I'm trading on a live sim account. For example, if I'm on my Apex accounts, because it's a live sim account, then you don't need to classify yourself as a professional trader. If I was, if Apex would contact me and be like, hey, we know you're not making money, but we'd like you to move to a live account, then I would have to classify myself as a professional trader, which I would have to do it anyway. Coffee's deductible. Nutty bars are deductible. Think about it. What's going on here, folks? We're selling. I'm in. That might have been a little premature. I have regrets. I give up, market. I give up. You win. That was a bad trade. I think that loss right there was deductible. Yeah, I believe that's called chasing. You are not wrong. You are not wrong. That was bad. That was very bad. I deserve to lose. Right here is where I should have shorted. Right here. What an idiot. That actually kind of irritated me. But what was that sell-off? Man. I mean, I was chasing. It was a bad entry. Okay, I get it. But as soon as we broke below this 824, 825, we broke below this is where that's why that's why I pulled the trigger. But obviously, should have been more patient. If I update my support resistance levels through the day, no. Once a week, usually on a Saturday, I'll go through and update them if I see that they need to be updated, or if we reached like new levels in the market, then I'll update them. Yeah, I knew that's where I messed up. Should not be trading breakouts on these range days and choppy days. Just terrible. I just couldn't help myself. Couldn't help myself. But yeah, that long wick is Yeah, I mean, the 825 is definitely been proven a pretty significant area. All right, here we go. Looks like we're going up. Man, oh man. Trades by James. You shorted at the touch. The touch of the ES. Right here. Hey, Big Papa Tanker. I mean, that sounds like you're being patient. That's good. Man. Oh. Hey, thank you, Big Papa. Appreciate that. All right. Oh, that makes me a little. Oh, that makes me sad that I chased that breakout. Why? Why? I even talked about not doing breakouts, and I did it anyway. That's where I need a shocking collar. That's where we need those. We need those shocking collars. Take a breakout trade on a range day, you get shocked. I bet I would think twice then. On a trend day, if you go against the trend, you get shocked. You gotta somehow invent a shocking collar that is directly related to the chart and your own plan. You know, you put in your own code, put in your own plan on that shock collar. And then if you go against your plan, the collar will automatically see it and it'll just if you can have control of the button. I'm not sure on that. It needs to be automated. Or a cattle prod. Ouch. Just slowly keep it going higher here. Unbelievable. Should have known. Should have known. All right, are we going to break out of this 45? Are we going to do it? But I tell you what, this move down, there was some serious selling going on. See the volume on the sell-off? This volume? Big volume on this sell-off. But it's getting absorbed. So that means we can just keep going up. How high will it go? All right, you going to break out? Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Nope, didn't work. Man, I want to I want to short up here, but I just don't have it in me. I think my mind has been so programmed to trade breakouts. Like I like these breakout trades. It's so hard for me to take a short. Should have. Look at this thing go. It's so hard for me to pull a trigger on these range days. What? Hang on. All right, we're back. A little distracted this afternoon. What time? We have 3:22 right now. Oh, do I trust this long? Do I trust this long? Not really. I do not. Here we go. Really curious what we're going to do going into the close. If we look at the daily here is getting very congested. Feel like we should be making a move here. We're gonna try and be a little bit nimble here into the close. If I not like I don't want to trade the murder bot. You bet we close at 8:10? Oh wow. I could see that. I was thinking long here, but this candle here's got me a little bit scared on a long. Yeah, it's like feel like the bulls are getting a little bit tired here. They just they have tried and tried and tried and they keep failing. Ah. A little conflicted here. Trading this, I'm trading it right at the bottom of this range. So trying not to do this. Like right now, this is what I see. Right here. I might regret this, but I'm going to take this breakout again. If I'm wrong here, I'm going to be disappointed. But we're going to be a good loser. We're going to be a little bit of a sore loser here, but Come on, follow through. Follow through on this breakout for once. No shot. Not what I wanted to see. Come on in here. Get in here, bears. Sell this thing down to VWAP. Come on, baby. Sell it. This needs to get through the 25s. I'm a little bit concerned about that. Needs to get through the 25s. That has been a stubborn area all day. Nope, not. No, no. Come on, man. Needs to get through the 25s here. I don't know that I can. I'm not sure I'm going to hold this thing. I'm getting out. It's just not following through. There we rip. Ah, man. It's just more of the same. You're just in this choppiness. It's just more of the same. I thought being that maybe we're getting close to, toward end of day, might see a little more conviction to the selling, but just not happening. Well, I mean, I'm glad I got out. Glad we just scrapped the trade. But it's just not, I don't know what it, we're just continuing to trade in this range. It's tempting here. If we get to the 840s here, just to short again, really considering it. get a little better entry here. Are you serious? I should have called it quits. I'm forcing things here late. I'm forcing things, and I don't know why. Gonna get stopped out here the way this is looking. If I'm okay, I'm good. I'm good. We're being a good loser. Oh, I'm good. Just didn't work. We just did not. I'm definitely forcing things a little bit late. I was I thought we'd pull back. Thought we'd sell off a little bit into the close, but we obviously are not. No, I'm on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being around the verge of tilt and 1 being completely calm. I'm at like a 4. I'm good. I'm all good. It was just, sometimes it just didn't work, man. I'm still tempted to short this because I just don't think I don't believe in the bulls here. I feel like this is just a trap. This is just a trap, and we're going to sell this thing off hard into the close. I'm going to be slightly mad if that actually happens and I don't take it. But I've been mad before, and I'll get over it. And then again, we could just, we could just keep ripping higher too. That is definitely a possibility. I probably should have waited to short this initially. I was definitely a little bit impatient. I was definitely right here chasing it. Again, I was looking for this thing to really rip lower. And then I was on this trade here. This was probably the worst trade of them all. Really, just almost a FOMO trade of where I'm afraid I'm going to miss out if I'm not in it. So definitely not good trades. Not a good. It definitely wasn't good. We'll probably go up and make new highs here. Probably rip this thing up to the 880s before the close. Who knows? Really, market? If you do this to me, me and you are going to have a talk. This is always what happens. Like, this is so typical. I enter and I'm too early, so I get stopped out. And then when the setup finally happens, then I'm too hesitant because I don't want to take 3 losses in a row. Unbelievable. Should have stuck with the plan. Sell the top of the range, buy the bottom of the range. Just do it. Just do it. So much easier to say than do. Does the reverse on Ninja Trader stand for reverse? I think it's a little of both, Ralph. It stands for revenge and reverse. That's hilarious. Buy or sell my own stop loss. I agree. I agree. Market, I hope tonight when you go to bed, you stub your toe. I hope you stub your toe like a couple times. That's what I hope. I hate you. Absolute buffoon. I'm going to have to start getting vodka to mix in with my Pepsi. Hey, how we doing, Shannon? What are those zones on my screens? They're just zones. That's it. I put them there so the price knows what to do when it gets there. It's like a resting area. Yeah. Yeah, I do design. I do have a dog. At least I still have the Browns. Oh, dear. Oh, Esther, I just now see. Yeah, I just now saw your messages, Esther. Oh, man, I'm sorry, man. I hear you. I feel your pain. That last like $500, it is a hurdle. It is a hurdle. Seriously, market, I will. Mm, mm-mm. I, okay. I don't even know what to say here. Man, I hope. Oh my. Are the zones from an indicator? No, I just put them manually. I just put those manually. Once a week, I go through and put the zones in there. I cannot believe I missed this move. I don't even know what to do here. Now I'm just chasing it if I enter now. Now I'm just chasing it. Long now? Really? Really? I'm not going long. Not happening. I believe you can, Esther. I think so. Some are saying short, some are saying long. Yeah, I'm not going long. And I'm not going short either here. I mean, regardless what I do here, the opposite will happen, okay? It's just how it works. If I go long, we're going to go down to VWAP. If I short this, we're going to bounce back up to the 44s. So, what do you want me to do? Oh, you did? Am what I am? Nice. Only live once. What is YOLO? Oh, man. Yep, Murderbot arrives in 5 minutes. Sometimes I like the Murderbot. Here we go. Going lower. Do I dare buy the 15s here? Interesting thought. This would be a little bit of a revenge trade here. A Murderbot is the way. Did anyone here play the Murderbot? It's in 4 minutes. Murderbot in 4 minutes. Usually you get like a 10-point spike. The question is which direction? Just keep going up. Why not go up to the 45s again? I mean, why not? Why not? Murderbot in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. You're going to short here and put take profit at the lows? You mean the lows right here at the 15, Steve? Murderbot's going to take you there? He might. Oh, yeah, exactly. Go big. 5 contracts. All right, all in. We're going full. Actually, kind of like a short here. I actually do like it. Okay, we're going to have to stop right here. I'm going to get out probably before the murder bot. Really? Market? Really? You going to do this? I'm going to fight. I'm going to fight you. This was a great idea. In theory. Great idea. Oh, man. Oh, man. There's no comment needed. No comment needed. Man, this market is lovely today. Absolutely in love with this market today. It's just great. Having a good time. Having a great time. Come on, all you short sellers out there, Steve. You still holding? Oh, yeah. Hmm. The murder bot got The murder bot got us. Got me. Okay, trades by James. Good to know. Go long and what happens? Sounds like a great plan. I mean, we can't, can't be too much worse. Nope, not going to take another trade. Not going to do it. Not going to do it. We're just going to take our L today. Start off the month with a nice L. And we're just going to like it. Whoa, there was the murder bot. Oh, snap. There was the murder bot activated. Unbelievable. Man, my wrist hurts for some reason. Switched the chart to a 3-range chart. Yeah, I've looked at the range charts already. And new lows incoming. 8:15s. We're going to go down through VWAP. Watch. What do we got? 3 minutes? Yep, 3 minutes left. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful session. Hmm. All right. Well, it's 4 o'clock. It's time to end it. Time to end it. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate everyone. Steve, that doesn't count. You didn't take that trade. It doesn't count if it goes right at 4 o'clock. It doesn't count. All right, everybody, take care. And we'll be at it again tomorrow.